Hello friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel then please click on the subscribe button to get subscribed to Rashi's Kitchen and make sure to click on the bell icon to get an update.
Hello friends, welcome to Rashi's Kitchen. Today I am going to tell you about a very famous and delicious recipe, that is tahini sauce. Tahini sauce is very famous in Middle East, but nowadays it is very famous all over the world and it is very tasty, even very healthy. Tahini is made up of sesame seeds. As we all know that sesame seeds is also called as til in Hindi, and it is very rich in good fat, protein, many other vitamins and nutritious value it contains, and it is very healthy. So as we all use various type of sauce along with snacks, appetizer, so the tahini sauce we can use with any kind of snacks, whether it is non-veg or veg, and the tahini is mostly used for making hummus. That video also I will be uploading very soon, the hummus recipe, that is very healthy recipe. So keep watching Rashi's Kitchen channel, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel then please subscribe to my channel and show your love and support towards me. So let's start making tahini recipe. So friends, to make tahini sauce we need these ingredients. Here I have taken half cup of sesame seeds, 2 garlic cloves, olive oil and salt according to taste we will add. So friends, first of all we'll start with roasting our sesame seeds. So friends, let's start with heating up the pan. We'll heat our sesame seeds in low to medium flame because our sesame seeds are very soon get roasted up. So we'll roast the sesame seeds in low to medium flame and we'll keep stirring it. We have to make sure that it should not be burned, so we have to keep on stirring it for 5 minutes. So friends, now our sesame seeds has been roasted for 5 minutes and it is lightly roasted. So now we will close our flame and will keep it aside to get it cooled down. So friends, now our sesame seeds has been cooled nicely. So we'll add our sesame seeds in the mixing jar. So let's open it. Now friends, in the sesame seeds powder we are going to add 3 teaspoons of olive oil, In this mixture, friend, we are going to add 2 garlic cloves, salt, half teaspoon, now we'll add 1 to 2 teaspoon of lukewarm water. Now we'll close the lid and we'll grind all them all together. So our sauce is all ready now. Let's take it out. As you can see, it's all creamy and tasty. This sauce can be used for a couple of weeks. We can store this sauce in the airtight container and we can refrigerate it. So friends, this tahini sauce can be served with any appetizer or any snacks, and it is mostly used for making hummus. So I will be uploading that video very soon, so keep watching Rash's Kitchen.